Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on dark mode on Blinkist. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Blinkist app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next, scroll until you find dark mode. Then tap on dark mode. After that, you can see the option of on. Tap on it. So, this is how you can turn on dark mode on Blinkist. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.